Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix zero views on TikTok in 2024. Having zero views on your TikTok videos can be frustrating, but there are several strategies you can try to increase visibility and engagement. And here are some tips to fix the zero views problem on TikTok. First is you need to optimize your profile. Ensure your profile is completely with a catchy profile picture, bio, and relevant keywords. This can help attract more viewers on your profile as well. And second is post high quality content. Create engaging and high quality videos that are interesting and entertaining. Use popular trends, challenges, and music to increase the chances of your video being discovered. You could also try using the relevant hashtags. Use relevant and trending hashtags to make your videos more discoverable. Research popular hashtags in your niche and include them in your captions. You can also promote your videos on other platforms. Share your TikTok videos on social media platforms to engage, and this is it. You need to post your consistently. Try to post new content regularly to keep your audience engaged. Consistency can help build a loyal following and increase your chances of getting more views. Also interact with your audience. Respond to the comments and messages from your followers to build a strong relationship with them. This can encourage them to engage more with your content. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications icon for more upcoming uploads.